Hold on. Okay, Nicole doesn't know we're videoing, but I walked in on her.
I see you eyeballing them cats. What do you say about that? You know what? I think you should get up right now and you should go for a walk. Sales chills. Bitch.
Did you just say bitch?
What? Family. Come on, we need to go for a walk because you need exercise. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ready?
So Nicole, what do you have to say to the large world around you?
This is what I have to say.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in on our face and do normal and then regular.
Adam! What do you have to say for yourself? You demon mutt.
No.
I know everyone loves you so much. You know what? Okay, ready? Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Okay, we're done. Bye.